Hello everyone, today I am here to inform all of you about some important updates regarding to the environmental science examination preparation in our channel. So listen to me carefully. First is, we are giving a break to our weekly Monday quiz till the NET environmental science exam is conducted. But guys, we are conducting T20 quiz series. Yes, this T20 quiz series we are conducting according to the syllabus of NET Environmental Science. So every day we are conducting 2 quiz unit wise on our Telegram channel. Yes, 20 questions are conducted for every quiz, and please note it is conducted in our Telegram group, so you can join there, and already many of our students are linked to that group, and very useful and healthy discussion is the other benefit of the group which you can get from that. So link is in the description, you can join there and strengthen your last minute revision. The next important update is that I am planning to prepare a free online mock test. Yes, I think that free online mock test will give a refreshment for all of you before the actual online NET examination. So all the details about the website, the timing, date, everything will be notified to you through our channel very soon. So to get all the updates about the mock test and all the revisions, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and you have hit the bell icon, so that whenever we are uploading the video, you will get the notification as soon as we upload. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for further updates and keep preparing. All the best to everyone.